So let's move into problem number 6 now for Project Euler. So let's read the problem. Problem says the sum of the squares of the first natural number is this. So basically we are just summing the numbers from 1 to 10 and summing the square of the number from 1 to 10, and that becomes 385. And if we do the sum of the square of first 10 terms, which means if we just add 1 to 10 and then that becomes 55, we make 55 square, that becomes 3025. So the difference is 2640. So find the difference between the sum of the square of first 100 natural number. So basically, as you know, if you just sum 1 to n, the formula for that sum is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and that will become 55 if we do that. Okay, so let's move into the coding. So let me create some cells here. So let's say problem number 6. We can mark down. Okay, so first I want to create a function. So that let's name the function as get the difference sum square. Okay, get diff sum square. So I'll just take a number, okay, as an input, which will be the sequence of the natural number. Then we know the first term. So first term will be, like I said, n into n plus 1. That means number plus 1. Okay, then divided by 2 as the integer division. Then if I just put them everything under a bracket, then I want to square this. So that will be the square minus, I want to sum square of individual number. Now how can I get individual number? I can do like that. I can create a list comprehension just like that. Let's say I square for I in range number plus 1, because I want to go from 1 to, because 0 doesn't count, I want to go from 1 to n. That's why I have to go do number plus 1. Now because I am already squaring it, this becomes a list. I want to sum them all, so I can use built-in sum functions outside of it, and that should give our desired results. And what I want to do, I can just return this. If I just return this, that should work. So what I want to do, let's test it. Okay, get sum square. We'll try the number 10. Okay, so here it should be num n's lowercase. Okay, here we go. We got 2640, which is exactly matching. Now we want to get the difference sum square of 100. Okay, if we just do that, so that should be our number. That's our answer. Let's try to see if our answer is correct. Yes, that's correct. So I think that's it for the current problem. So coming up next is the problem number 7. Thanks for watching.